Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go ahead and cover how we could insert videos into our Microsoft Word document. So in the previous videos, I showed you how we could insert pictures, but we can go ahead and do videos as well. So let's go ahead and decide where we want to place this video. I just want to place it at the beginning of the paragraph, kind of similar to where we had placed our pictures. And in one of the videos, we actually used puppy pictures. So let's go ahead and see if we can enter in a puppy video. So let's come over here to the Insert tab on the ribbon, come over here to Online Videos. And you'll see once you click on that, after it's done loading, you can enter in the address of the online video. You'll have a preview here, but then these are some of the different video services that you can use. So YouTube is going to be the most common one, but I've had instances where I want to insert in Vimeo videos as well. And also you can enter in videos from SharePoint. So let's just go ahead and enter in a YouTube video. So I already have the link here. And you can see once I paste it in, it's going to give us a preview where I can actually play the video if I would like to. Oops. And let's go ahead and hit insert. Okay, so now we have our video inserted into our document, which is great. And we can also take advantage of the wrap text tool like we did in the previous video. So if we come over here to the, after we have the video highlighted, we can come over here to the picture format, or we can click right here and that'll give us wrap text. But since I already have this open, I'll just come over here to wrap text. Then we can go ahead and choose how we want the text to appear. So maybe we're trying to enter it within a paragraph or wherever you want to place your video, you're free to do so. But this gives us some different text options. So maybe what I could do is I could select this square option, and then this video is just meant to supplement the information that's in this paragraph. So right now, this is lorem ipsum text, but there could be a case where, or the most likely case for me using this video was this would be a paragraph about puppies, or maybe even Labrador puppies. I don't know if these are Labradors or Golden Retrievers, but maybe this paragraph is about different dog breeds, and this one's talking about Golden Retriever puppies. And then I just have a video here to help out the person viewing the document. And if I want to go ahead and view the video, I can just go ahead and click on it. It's going to give us this pop-up here where I can go ahead and play the video. And then if I right click it, I can go ahead and decide if I want to go ahead and change the picture of the video. Do I want to go ahead and open it in a browser, play the video? Do I want to cut and paste it? I mean, we have all these different links that we can make changes to. And I could also go in and I could change the link to the video as well. So that is how you're actually able to enter videos on your Microsoft Word document.